Why is my iPhone turning off at a certain percentage? Let me explain that and talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you don't miss explanations and videos like this one. So there are, I would say, two reasons why it might be happening. First of all, you might have a automation in place, which is part of the Siri Shortcuts app. So there is the ability to set up an automation, which is going to be triggered by a battery percentage. So you can see that the trigger can be set at the battery level. So you, for example, choose that when you hit 15% or 20 or whatever, something is going to happen. And you can basically choose a shortcut to turn off the phone, right? So you can basically decide that when your phone hits that percentage point, the iPhone is going to shut it down as it's a shortcut automation that you set up. So if that is the case, which is, I don't think that very likely, but yeah, if that's the case, you can turn it off and this automation is not going to turn off your phone anymore. But the most likely scenario, if you ask me, would be that the phone thinks that it's at a certain percentage, but it's not really. So this is called battery calibration, and yours is probably not calibrated properly. So your phone might think that it's, for example, at 40%, but it's not really anymore. So the way to fix it would be to recalibrate it. So if your phone turns off at like 50%, you wouldn't plug it into a charger, but you would try to turn it on back again. You might use it for a while, and then it's probably gonna turn off again at some random percentage, and you're gonna keep on doing that until the real battery percentage is the same as the one which is displayed. So you basically want to make the battery empty, and you also want to make the phone think that it's empty. And once the phone cannot be turned back on, you can connect it to a charger, charge it to full 100%, and hopefully it should be recalibrated properly. So this is a quick guide. I hope I was able to help you out and explain how it could work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.